Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make elderberry tincture today. And I'm going to be using what's called the folk medicine, which means that I'm not measuring out everything. I'm not weighing the elderberries on a scale and then measuring the vodka in, I'm just basically putting in what I think is about right, which makes it the folk method. It's a little bit less scientific. It makes it a little bit easier. So often what we'll do when we're doing a folk method is we will fill the jar, whatever size jar you're using, about halfway. So here we go. Let's see if that's about halfway. Yeah, it's about halfway. Okay, so about halfway. That, by the way, this is a half-gallon mason jar, and I just put in 1 pound of dried elderberries, which ends up being about halfway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this vodka here. Your cheap vodka is perfectly fine. And I'm going to pour it in. Now that's not quite enough, so what I'm going to do is open up the other bottle. Actually don't need this, so I'll put that over here. And I'm going to fill this all the way up. Now the nice thing about using 100 proof vodka is that 100 proof vodka is half alcohol and half water, which means that the water in the vodka is going to be able to extract the water-soluble constituents of the elderberries, and the alcohol in the vodka is going to be able to extract the alcohol-soluble constituents in the elderberry. So I'm just going to shake this up. Now this is going to sit in a cool, dry place for at least 8 weeks. Try to shake it every day. And when we're done, we can strain it out, and we're going to have elderberry tincture. Now, I don't know about you, but when it comes to elderberries, I like a little cinnamon for flavor. Cinnamon has medicinal value also, but it just makes it taste better. So I'm also going to add some cloves. Also, just really for the flavor, although it has medicinal value also. We're going to put that in. And it will make it taste lovely. So put that back in there, shake it up again. And in 8 weeks, we're going to have some good medicine. My wife takes elderberry tincture every day because she is a teacher, and you know how that goes. It's easy to pick up bugs and germs from kids. So during cold and flu season, she takes elderberry tincture every day to help prevent her getting the flu to begin with. Elderberries are widely regarded as an antiviral. Basically how they work is elderberries help to prevent or inhibit the replication of a virus. So if the virus can't replicate, the immune system is going to be able to much better handle that virus. And studies in Europe show that people often get better from a flu 4 days sooner than people who don't use elderberries. Well, anyway, I've got more stuff that I need to make today. So as always, remember that what you put on or in your body is your responsibility. Thank you.